Yo, for real, I can't tell if my windows are down or up. They're so clear, like no lie. Like, I can't tell if these boys are up or down. Like, it's crazy. Like, I feel like I'm just looking at somebody and it's like, I don't know, it's weird. It's super clear. I don't know if you guys can tell. It's super clear. I should put it on 60 frames per second so you guys can really tell, but nah, probably not. Look, look, look. Welcome back, Mr. 300. Hope you guys having a great day, great week, great weekend. I'm a guy, man, I'm gonna just be honest with you, man. I'm gonna be real honest with you. I hate cleaning, man. So, as you guys can see, my windows, I don't know if you can or not, but my windows are still dirty. I cleaned the rest of the car over the last couple of days, but I gotta finish the job with the windows. And honestly, man, I do not like doing all of this. Like, all the cleaning and figuring things out and not being able to get certain places and all that, I hate it. So I'm gonna be honest with you, man. I'm always gonna figure out the easiest way to do it, man. And I just wanted to share it with you guys, man, because I like cleaning the car. I like a clean car. I like all that type of stuff, man. But actually doing the work is not something that I prefer, you know? So as you guys can see, my windows are still filthy on the inside and out. So I'm gonna get it done. I'm gonna show you guys exactly what I use now, but yeah, we're gonna get right to it, man. It's gonna be a quick and easy way just to clean all the windows in your car. For one thing though, one note, my windows are not tinted except the roof thing or whatever. So I'm gonna clean this a little differently, but the rest of my car is not tinted. So if you have tinted windows, you probably just gotta use a little soap and water. I'm gonna use a little bit more, you know, I got some other stuff, some other tricks up my sleeve, but my windows aren't tinted. So if they are, you just gotta use regular soap and water. But if you don't have tinted windows, man, follow along and let's get it. First thing is a bucket of warm water. Next thing is a Mr. Clean magic eraser. Link will be in the description down below. Next thing, your basic window cleaner. I got some with ammonia because I don't have tints or anything like that, so I want to get a good, decent job. But this is from the dollar store. Shout out to the dollar store. But yeah, this is the next. And we got some good old microfiber towels and a terry cloth. So the very first thing that I'm going to do to clean the windshield is just take my regular terry cloth and I'm just going to wipe it down. I'm just going to wipe it down, try to get all the oils and all the stuff that's stuck up on there. You know, I'm not using any product. It's a dry towel. Let's see. If you have to, if you have a issue reaching like this area, this way in the back over here, what you have to do is do like you passing somebody $20 and you don't want to look at. So you have to kind of like turn, face the back seat, and go like this backwards. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I'm like facing opposite the windshield, so I can get under these nooks and crannies way down below. And I usually go all the way across, or at least halfway as much as I can, so I don't gotta keep doing that. So the first thing I do is just get down below like that. I'm passing somebody $20 pretty much, looking the opposite way. And I'm doing the whole windshield, but I'm only showing you guys this half because it's just easier to show the passenger side. The driver's side, you got the steering wheel and all that in front of you, so it's a little hard. But pretty much I just wipe down the window. The next step is, next thing I'm gonna do, grab my magic eraser, open it up, magic eraser, and now I'm gonna dip it into the warm water. Make sure the water's warm, get it soaked up. It's pretty much all you gotta do. Wring it out, make sure it's still wet, but not like dripping wet, but you know, nice wet. And then it's gonna go to the window and I'm just gonna wipe it down all over. I'm gonna do circles and then I'm gonna do straight up and down. I'm not gonna really be able to show you guys because like I'm holding the camera right now, but pretty much you guys know what it is. Just get the whole window, circle, and then go back across, up and down. Make sure that anytime any liquid drips, any water drips or whatever, make sure you pick it up immediately and just wipe it down, because that magic eraser has some type of chemicals on it and you don't want it to cause any type of discoloration on your dash. So as you're wiping your windows, just be sure to watch your dash. If anything's drip down, just be sure to wipe it up real fast. All right, wipe down the window. I don't know if you guys can see it, it's still kind of wet. So then what I'm gonna do is just keep grabbing that original towel and just wipe down the window. Just get up pretty much all the residue that the magic eraser left. Just regular wipe down. Once that's done, I'm just gonna grab my just regular glass cleaner. I'm just gonna spread, you know, pretty much and just wipe the window down. But the trick is, don't spread directly on the window. Don't just grab the window and just spray it, because then all the drops are gonna go down and you're gonna have discoloration on your dash when it dry up if you don't get them all cleaned up. So instead, what you do is, what I do is I just spray it directly on the towel. Directly on the towel. I don't have to worry about much. I grab the towel, like so. I usually don't do this on my leg. And then once it's lathered up, then I just go up at the window and just wipe it down. So I'm gonna do that and then I come back. All right, clean the windows on this side. They look a lot better. If you guys can see where I zoomed in before, it should be all better. If you guys see something other, let me know in the comments down below, roast me or something. Say, oh man, you left that weak ass shit on you. You know, let me know. I did the windshield both sides, so that should be crystal clear. Probably can't really tell right now, but for me when I was driving, especially at night, it was a problem, man. You could just see all type of oils and streaks and lines. I was cleaning my glasses when I was wearing glasses constantly, you know. But anyway, man, now it's looking pretty crystal clear, you know, as much as I could expect, you know, in a little 5-minute job. But now we're gonna do the other side. If you guys can see this dirt on this window, man, it's bad, man. But you know, it ain't horrible. But if you just clean your car, man, you want to make sure everything is done, man. You don't want to, you know, I mean, you don't want to go to her and just because you finish, everything's over. You know, you gotta get her all too. You know, so we just gotta get that going. But anyway, we're gonna get it going right now. We done, just like that. I know you can't really tell. I know you can't tell how I use the magic eraser. You probably thinking like, man, you could just use like Windex and be good. The same situation. Yeah, you can, but I mean, but just believe me, man. That little magic eraser, it takes away all that oil. You know when you like wash your windows and it's like you still feel like there's still like a little bit on it that you couldn't get rid of. Like the magic eraser get rid of that layer of oil, grime, you know, and it's just like crystal clear. It's crystal clear, you know. Like I said, I know you guys can't really tell from the video, but it's crystal clear, man. So definitely get that little magic eraser. It's only a couple of dollars. You only got to dip it in warm water and then get to go. You know, it's just one application, so it's not that big a deal. Just try it out, man. Just try it out and let me know in the comments down below. Anyway, man, it's Mr. 300, man. Subscribe down below if you guys got any value from this video, man. The magic eraser, like I said, man, link in the description. It's a game changer with the windows and cleaning glass. But anyway, man, subscribe down below. Love you. Hope you guys having a great day. Peace out. Yo, for real, I can't tell if my windows are down or up. They're so clear, like no lie. Like, I can't tell if these boys are up or down. Like, it's crazy. Like, I feel like I'm just looking at somebody and it's like, I don't know, it's weird. It's super clear. I don't know if you guys can tell. It's super clear. I should put it on 60 frames per second so you guys can really tell, but nah, probably not. Anyway, man,